Hi, my name is Isobel DeMont, and I'm a new instructor here in the Faculty of Engineering at Dal PhD, teaching first year design. The Year 1 design course is the first opportunity for engineering students to really do engineering. They'll get to work in the light prototyping lab, which is where we are today, to try to solve real-world problems with a hands-on approach. Throughout the semester, they'll work their entire way through the design process, starting with problem definition all the way to producing a physical prototype at the end of the semester. Because this is their first exposure to engineering, I want to make sure that this opportunity is fun and engaging for them, and that they get to apply the theory and knowledge that they're learning in the lectures to real-world problems. Beyond the classroom, I want students to know that my door is always open for them. It wasn't that long ago that I was in their shoes, transitioning to university and enrolling in an engineering program myself. I understand the stressors that come with these lifestyle changes and heavy course load, and I want to make sure that they know they can always come to me with any concerns, challenges, or even feedback on how we can make their experience at Dalhousie as positive and fun and engaging as possible.